I got the Nikon D3500. Got it from eBay for quite cheap, like about $665. So let's unbox it. Alright. Got the user's manual here. Alright, let's see. Hoping this isn't a scam, you know. Let's see. Oh. Alright. Ooh. Okay. Got the camera body. Nicely packed. Alright. Oh yes, look at this guys, the grip is amazing, perfect fit for my hands. Look at this. Oh yeah, it feels great. Oh yes, Nikon, says Nikon on it. Good, so that's the original. Yeah, it's got stickers at the bottom. So far so good. It looks like the real product. Alright, let's put it aside. It came with a adapter here for international. Pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Because it's from Hong Kong, so let's see. So the lens, get the lens. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, look at this. This is great quality. It's plastic, but it's really good plastic quality. Some people complaining about the camera body and stuff that's made of cheap. Yeah, they're lying. This is great quality, man. Alright. Now, got the camera strap. It's nice. It's really cool. Okay, let's open that. So I obviously got this camera for my astronomy. So instead of using the phone, and the phone is like, you know, rough. It's like rough quality. It's not as clear. So this will be great through the telescope. What else? Got the charger, and plus, 1 second, I've got the T-ring, by the way, so I can connect it to my Celestron Inspire 100 AZ. So that's good news. Okay, now the battery itself. Oh no, that's another. Oh, that's for the European adapter. Nice. Alright, where's the battery itself? Okay, there it is. There's the battery itself. There we go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's move this box aside for now. Alright. Alright. So there's the battery now opened. Got to insert it in the camera. Wish me luck, because I'm very rusty with this stuff. I done some photography in uni by using the Canon cameras. And I finished like in 2018. I graduated in 2018. So yeah. All right. Let's see how this works. That's how you do it. Oh shit. Okay, like that. Alright, like that. Okay. Okay, I got it, okay. This is my first ever time doing this. So gotta line it up. You gotta line the battery up right here. Okay. Click until you hear the click. Obviously it's in, like that. And then I've got an SD card. Right in here. This is where I keep my technology stuffs. So 1 second. There it is. It's from Amazon. 64 gigabytes, 100 MB, all from eBay. You know, I forgot because I bought this ages ago. Made it ready for the camera. So let's put it in. Let's put it in. Okay, this feels great. This feels wonderful, man. Okay, this is my first time doing this. Alright, so let's do this here. Okay, like that. Okay, 1 second here, 1 second, 1 second. Touch lens, mount mark, camera, mounting mark lens. Okay, mounting mark. Where's the mounting mark? Okay. There we go, like that. Take the cover off, like that. Be very careful not try to touch this thing. And then the zoom, you do it like that. Alright, moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Okay, boom. Okay. Oh, let's see if you guys can see here. English. London, Madrid, Athens, Australia. Darwin added Sydney. Yes, a Sydney. Can I go up and down? UTC 10.